Hit like and subscribe below to get more products.
Mobility has become so convenient. But not all distances are covered, like the long last mile, which is not far but too far to walk. Be it in your college campus towards the cafeteria, or in a tech park to the meeting that's at the far end, or in your residential township towards the main gate where your Ola cab is just arriving. You know, the kind of distance that needs a quicker, smarter and earth-friendly solution. Presenting Ola Pedal, a simple solution for a smart commute. Just launch, locate and book. Unlock your ride, hop on and ride away. It's light, it's easy, and when you're done, just lock it and leave it. Our technology ensures that they're always available whenever and wherever you need them. Convenient enough for you to begin where you left off. The more you ride, the more you save. We got the little things right, so you can ride right. And it's all built right here in India. So saddle up, because the last mile is just a little spin away.